15 and in the 10th grade. I'm going to be singing a Gertrude McFuzz medley from Seussical Musical.
Yeah.
Diddoo, 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 diddle-doo. There once was a girl bird named Gertrude McFuzz, and she had the smallest plain tail ever was. One droopy droop feather, that's all that she had. And oh, that one feather made Gertrude so sad. She curled it, she dyed it, she gave it a puff. She decked it with flowers, but it wasn't enough. For no matter what, it just was what it was. Oh, notice me, Horton, put down that clover. This is your next door neighbor calling. There's a new leaf, your name is turned over, over and over, clover by clover. I had a little trouble because I grew a little tail. Well, it wasn't really little, it was absolutely giant. It really was attractive, but you never even noticed, so I felt a little silly even trying. Besides, that big tail was too heavy for normal flying. So she ran to the doctor named Dake, and she said, my tail has been a mistake. She said, Dr. Dake, I've been foolish in vain. Pluck it out, get it off, I won't do it again. Pluck, 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 ouch, it hurt a lot. Pluck, 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 ooh, a tender spot. Pluck, 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 just a one feathered tail. But suddenly, Gertrude could sail. I sailed on junk and was practically sunk for you. I trampled through the trees full of furious